a vibrant and nurturing polytechnic service college for transforming lives and communities. Mission: to improve lives of people and communities through quality instruction, innovation, productivity, initiative, environment, and industry-feasible technologies, resource mobilization, and transformational outreach program and services. BSIT goal: the program prepares the student to be IT professionals who are well-versed application installation, maintenance and operation, development and administration. It also engages them in long-life earning endeavors, contributing to research extension and resources generation in the field of information technology. BSIT objectives: to practice and advance human resource in the field of information technology, especially in the development, installation, maintenance, operation, and manage of information technology. To development the student with critical thinking through research and extension activities. The strength values are desirable in the information technology profession and the common good. Core values: productivity, delivering quality programs, research and developing proactive professional. Resiliency, cultivating positive attitudes and renewal amidst challenges. Accountability, being responsible, transparent, and decisive. Ingenuity, prudent use of resources and cost effectiveness. Synergy, teamwork, collaboration, and partnership with the stakeholder. Excellence, global orientation, empowered, and transformation.
Dreams and vision within the might of numbers, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Men and that with wisdom and honor, molded fads of society. We're singing victories and praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, the place where I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once realized, virtues to every heart, with warm birthday and breath for all. Like a knight in shining armor, guiding star of searching soul. We're singing victories and praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, the place where you belong. Long live our alma mater. Address 5 as with enlightened minds, the France in our endeavors, enabling each to share whatever we are towards greater high. We go forth and serve and fellow men, for searching we will shine. We're singing victory and praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, the place where I belong. Long live our alma mater. Long live our alma mater. Long live by SP.